Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models. And yesterday afternoon, Chocolate Santa came by and dropped off a nice little gift for me. Bobby Allison's 1985 Buick Regal, and such a pretty livery. I was speaking to one of our other builders not too long ago, and he has an 85 of Bobby's that with a different livery, and he was looking forward to this because it would give him two to put side by side on his shelf. So let's take a look and see what's inside of the box. So here we go, the Bobby Allison 1985 Buick Regal. Beautiful, beautiful car. And there we go. It's going to be shot in red, so it'll make it easier on you to put the whites just back here, and then the individual decals on here. You can paint if you want. You don't have to if you don't want to. And let's see, round and squishy things are round and squishy as usual. And there's our clear parts. Okay, and because the mold on these monogram kits, it's one massive mold. It's a couple thousand pounds, I think. It's about 3 feet by 4 feet by about 18 inches thick, and it does the entire car at one shot. The body, everything else. That's why all the parts are shot in red. So it's great for the frame, the roll cage and stuff like that. You won't have to paint them, but engine parts and all sorts of other stuff, chassis, you're going to have to paint those. I am going to assume that Mr. Kemp has made a note on the instructions as to what other colors. So you will have to paint some of those body parts. We do have the chrome. Let's see, let me pull that body back out of the box here. So you'll be able to put that chrome up against on there. That's nice and shiny and nice and pretty on there. So that will be good. Put this back in here. So if at one day I decide to I need to build this or offload it to somebody, it's all the parts are there. So here's our instruction sheet, and there is Clay's decals placement sheet. See what's on the back. The back is the last page of instructions, and then the decal placement. So there you go with those. Here's the regular instructions. And there is Clay's handiwork. Beautiful job as usual. Sorry, we got a shadow from my microphone boom going across there, but they look gorgeous as always. Well done, Clay. You know, it's always nice to know we're in good hands to have our decals done, and as usual, Clay just does a great, outstanding job. So there we go. The kits are shipping now, or I should say they will start shipping come Monday morning. They are available for pre-order at the moment, but come Monday morning, that would be March 2nd, they are going to be shipping them out to the club, so they will probably start shipping out those pre-orders the next day. So those are available along with quite a few other things. Take a look and see what's in the web store. Take a look, and want to save a couple bucks on some older stock, go to the sale page. So we've got some of our older stock models, some of the last ones that are left there. Go ahead and save a few bucks. Go look through those. Check out our store for accessories and tools. We've got paints, Tamiya paints, knives for your hobby knives. We've got paint brushes, glues, 3D printed drivers and parts and stuff like that, accessories for the kits. For these guys, we've got a drop suspension, so it allows you to drop your front end down about a 1/16 of an inch, gives it a much more racy look, and it's got some other parts on there to up detail with some disc brakes and a new rear end, so it just gives it a little bit more little bit more oomph to your build. So take a look at what we've got there, and also check out what we've got for our Builders Club. If you are not a member of the Builders Club, look it over. It's a Kit of the Month club, and you get a discount on the cost of the kits. The Kit of the Month ships with everybody else. First couple of weeks of the month, it's got the kit at a discount price. It comes with a couple sheets of decals, an extra set of decals for the kit, and some other decals that we have. Comes with a club sticker. Comes with Tuesday night access to a live YouTube or a Facebook video that we have for the club, and also, you gain about 450 new best buddies from all over the world. So it's cool to check out, cool to join. Take a look at our web store, and once again, we're shipping these right away. So thank Rick Salvino and myself. Thank you guys for buying and building Salvinos J R Models, and we'll see you in a few days with. I'll definitely be getting something else in to do a video of.